Hello everyone. Today we'll have a little different video from usual. As you can see, this is a potentiometer, and this is usually what is used in controllers in PS4, PS5. I think PS5. I think it's exactly the same. I didn't actually try to open yet one, but Xbox controllers and all these controllers, they use these kind of potentiometers to for the joysticks, both all of these controllers, either left joystick and right joystick. Actually, I think I have here one controller, and I have here another one actually. So this potentiometer is used both on these and these joysticks, and as well here and here for the Xbox. So they are used everywhere. And usually what happens with these is that they fail often. Not very big faults. It really depends actually, but depends of the type of use that you have as well. So one of the faults that, from what I see, happens quite often is these sides here, the potentiometers. I think this is called the potentiometer here, and this one as well. So all of this is the joystick itself, and here the potentiometers in these both sides. So basically is when you turn around, maybe you can see, when you turn around to up and down, and left and right is this one, up and down is this one over here. So it depends of in the controller where it is. Actually, I don't recall how it is, if it's like this here on the right side and here on this side, something like this maybe. I'm not 100% sure actually, to tell the truth. But I think they are both the same for both of the joysticks, left and right, and left and right joysticks. So today we can disassemble this just to see how it looks inside. If I manage, actually I never open one of these, just partially. So one of the things that you can open is the potentiometers itself, this side and this side. Sometimes all the times they are glued, soldered to the board. Here you can see all the pins here in the bottom. And sometimes you don't want to unsolder everything, because actually it's a pain and takes a lot of time, and sometimes you can even mess a bit the controller, the board itself, or the potential of the joystick, if you don't know what you are doing. And I already did messed up actually a few times while learning. So to open these ones, actually there is a way that actually it was a fellow user that commented to me in the comments when I was doing unsoldering this, and they said that since this is solder, you can, for example, take this potentiometer or take this, open it apart, not unsoldering, but here you can see here there is some, maybe it will focus over here, it has some small gaps where you can put here the screwdriver, like I did now, and basically it opens, and you can bend it, and the pins would bend a bit, and then you would be able to take out of this part inside. Actually has here some stuff that you need to press, and then it opens, and you can see it has some stuff inside. And I think this one is, maybe it's bad because you have quite some stuff here inside, actually dirty. Not sure. I had this disassemble, and so I'm not 100% sure if this still works properly or not, but it might not be, because it has here some stuff. Maybe it was some grease, not 100% sure. Anyway, so if you want to take these, just take this to clean, because sometimes these all these tracks are dirty or the metal is dirty. There is some videos where I clean this, and you can see here in the channel some of those videos where I clean this metal part here, because sometimes it rusts and then the contacts doesn't make proper contact. So if you clean it with a brush, I think fiberglass brush, I have it even here, usually it solves this issue. Not all the time, but sometimes it does help. So you can, if you had this kind of issue, you can always do this cleaning and then just bend this back again into place. You can see, if you can hear, it just pops back in, because here in the sides it has two flanges. I'm not sure how it's the name, but they come up here from both sides. You can see here one of them, and here another, that it locks into place. So this is how you take this side potentiometers. So it's all fine. Let me take the other one too, and that's it. And this, I think, is the main things that you can take without soldering, just desoldering, just bending them here in the joystick. But then if you have here some issue with this, then it will be more problematic, because then you will need for sure to unsolder. And here in the base you can see that everything is kind of tied together here with metal here in these corners. Maybe hopefully you can see all these four sides. So let's try to undo this and see if I can open this apart. Actually, like I said, I never tried, so I will just try here to unbend this into the back. Hopefully I will not hurt myself, because this is metal and I need to press here quite a bit. Let's see if I can do it. Okay, so I'm pressing here, and actually you can see that I just pressed and then came out a bit. And let's do the same for the others, because this has here actually some small spikes, not spikes, but this plastic, and here it hurts a bit when we are trying to press and to open these at the same time. Here this one. Okay, I don't want to force this, because I would like to put this back again into place and then see. Okay, so this should come out, I think. Now here we have as well some stuff in this side. Not sure if this can go out or not. I'm trying to here to see. There is here some plastic. Not sure if this plastic will come out. Maybe I will need to break this to take it out of place. But let's see. And I think it might even be, not sure if it's glued over here. Seems a bit of stuff here. Let's see if I can. No, this wants to really come out, or not so much, because I don't see any much movement. I hopefully we can take off these, since I never tried, not 100% sure. a bit more, and I think it's coming out. Okay, and it does come out. So this basically, okay, I think I know. I just need to go over here all around this and push it a bit here, and then another bit here, and then another bit here, and you see if you go all around, it eventually will come out. And you can see over here there is the main base, and here there is this. I will try to keep it more or less in place to remember for later on, because I want to put back into place. And here is the joystick shaft itself. So here it holds the joystick itself. I'm not sure if this can be taken off, but we will see. And here is have this mechanism that keeps in place over here, and it holds like this. And under it there is over here there is the spring inside. I wonder if I could take off this as well, but from what I'm looking, might be tricky to take it off, but let's see. And here we have the housing for the button itself, here to the right in this case, that holds over there. So all in all, it doesn't seem very hard to take these off but as I said as well, it's if you need to take off these to do some fixing, I don't know if there is much fixing here. What could be done? If it could be done, maybe here in this mechanism of the, because you can see if I press over here, all this plastic part here where it holds, it has some spring inside. Let's see if I can take off this. Actually it comes out if I just pop it up, and just come out like this. And we have here this big spring, and I think we have a small one here. If it comes out, yes, it does come out too. Yes, and that would be it. This one I'm not sure if this is in can be taken. Let's try it as well, since we are here. Okay, for some reason I'm not able to take out this. Not sure if this is set up with some kind of shaft here in the middle that doesn't let it to come out that easily. So that could be one way, and the way to take it, for me to take it out, it would be to break it basically, because this seems kind of riveted here. Seems like, I'm not 100% sure. So maybe if someone was able to take this, maybe you can share how you did it. Maybe it's possible. Just I'm trying here to force, but I'm not able to take it out. And from this side here, this button here, this is totally here, I think in the plastic. I'm not sure if this would be able to come out as well. This might be able. If I press it here actually a bit, you can see that from each side there is some gaps. So this one, you can see it does come out if it doesn't run away. So you can see over here and over here it comes out from it. So like this is how you take apart the joystick. I'm not sure if this will be helpful for you. I just was curious how everything looked inside, just for fun. In case as well I need to fix at some point in the future some of these joysticks that I needed fully to disassemble, to unsolder. So maybe this would be an option. But I think the only thing that could be fixed here, it would be this mechanism over here that presses. I think I saw someone commenting in general that they had issues with this. The joystick itself was not aligned in the center, so was not related to potentiometers, but was with the shaft here itself. So maybe it would be something that needed to be fixed as well. This spring can go from time to time out of place, so this would be an option to take this out and maybe try to fix it. I'm not sure. Never had an issue here with this part itself. Most of the times is these two things that are usually faulty. But in case I need in the future, and if you are curious and if you need to disassemble, you know as well now how to do it. So if you liked this video, please like and subscribe. It will help a lot the channel, and see you in the next one.